Thanks for joining us in this course, and we hope you feel like a seasoned hiker, ready to take on the task of navigating South Carolina's Code of Laws by yourself. A great way to excel in your career is to know the license law like the back of your hand. That will give you peace of mind in knowing you're conducting your business in a lawful manner. We hope this course not only helped you feel more confident searching through the laws, but also helped you understand the spirit behind them. Remember what I said in the beginning. As a real estate professional, your top priority is to protect sellers, buyers, landlords, tenants, and their interests. Similar to the way the South Carolina Real Estate Commission's main purpose is to regulate the real estate industry and protect the public's interest. The best way for you to protect the public is to make sure you're navigating by the established signposts. In other words, doing everything by the book. Not just because you have to, but because you want to. License law isn't the only set of rules real estate professionals have to abide by. There's also the NAR Code of Ethics. The Code of Ethics establishes guidelines for the real estate professionals to act responsibly and ethically. It was established in order to protect the public as well. Business ethics shouldn't simply be a matter of checking off boxes without any real understanding of why the boxes exist. That type of business ethics is a slippery slope because society is fluid and constantly evolving. So there will always be situations no one has experienced before. It's in these situations that our codes are tested. To be truly ethical, you need to understand why certain things are considered to be right or wrong, and keep your footing firm and on the path. This applies to license law in the same way. Appreciating the reasons behind the laws will help you know what to do when you're in a situation that isn't black or white. Now there's one final incremental exam left, and you'll be finished. As you reflect on this course, think about how you'll incorporate your new knowledge into your daily real estate practice. Congratulations on completing At Your Pace Online's A Walk Through the Law. I'm Sherry Witcherly.